welcome back. So we'll look into the question number 2, which is given as draw the front, top and right side view of a cone of base diameter 40 and its altitude 45 when its base is kept parallel to the wall. Okay, the condition is the base is kept parallel to the wall and the dimensions were given. Okay, for this click on start diagram. Okay, that is start drawing. Then select 3D modeling. By default it has already been selected. Then you set the units, click on units, select millimeters, make sure the precision is 0, click OK. So it is given very clearly that draw the front to top if the base is kept parallel to the wall. So which view will give you the base diameter, or which view will give you exact parallelness with the wall? It's definitely the front view. Okay, so for this you have to switch to front view. In order to switch to front view, you can click on the left side view controls and then click on this, you will get front view. Okay, the moment you just select this, you will get the front view. Okay, you can click on the box first and then select cone. The cone is available here. Okay, select any point. Okay, I'm just selecting some random point. Then the diameter is given as very clearly as 40 mm, so make it 20 because it's the radius here, and altitude is given as 45, given enter. Okay, so the moment you give this, you can see only the front view. So in order to make sure you see the 3D view, okay, or you can just see the solid view using shades of gray. So you can visualize this as like this. Okay, move it to some well-defined space. I'm just using apex to move this. Apex or altitude, more or less it's the same thing. So when you view this in isometric, it will look something like this. Okay, so after this you just set view standard, select it to first angle projection. It is very clearly given that the right side view, okay, in first angle projection the right side view would be left side of your front view, so select that accordingly. So for this, in order to plot it, view, base, model from space, select the cone which is the object, use question number 2, then you can start projecting the layout. Okay, so this is your front view. Okay, make sure the front view is kept here rather than keeping it the other side. This is your right side view. When it is kept on the left side, that becomes a right side view, and this is your top view. If you want, you can plot the isometric view also. Okay. So which things are giving the exact dimensions? The base dimension is being given in the front view, and in the top view you can visualize the total apex height or the altitude height. Okay, go to annotation, go for, first I'll choose to define its diameter, which is the base diameter, okay, which is 40. Okay, then select a linear dimensioning. So select any point on the base. So I'm choosing a midpoint and the apex point, just drag it this side, you will get this thing. Similarly, you can choose the linear dimensioning for the side view. Okay, click on that, select the base central point and the apex top point, and then you can just make the dimensions. Okay, and you can just use multi-leader in order to define what is the front view and what is the top view. What is this view, which is the front view, and this is the right side view, which is kept on the, and then this is here the top view. Okay, so that's all. You give the annotations and the dimensioning very clearly. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for updates on latest videos pertaining to AutoCAD and the stuff related with automation and robotics. Thank you.